Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers accepting credit cards. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. In most instances, using a credit card has multiple benefits, which is why they have become such a prominent method of financial transactions. Using a credit card for Forex transactions means that you can rely on smooth and convenient payments, as credit cards are typically able to process deposits within seconds, allowing you to immediately start trading. Added to this, credit cards are often free, with very few transaction fees incurred. Because nearly everyone today has a credit card, practically all Forex platforms support credit cards in some capacity. Traders who are searching for a list of some of the best Forex brokers accepting credit cards can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers accepting credit cards. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Hot Forex. Hot Forex is the brand name of HF Markets Ltd, and in addition to providing world-class trading solutions, is strictly regulated, with a great emphasis placed on ensuring the safety and security of clients' funds in the best ways possible. Regulated and authorized with the FCA, the CySEC, the DFSA, and the FSCA, Hot Forex specializes in trading through Forex, metals, energies, indices, and shares. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, premium, zero spread, auto, HFCOPY, and swap-free accounts, with lower minimum deposits, lower spreads, a large number of simultaneous open orders, 24 hours, 6 days a week customer support, and more. Hot Forex also provides their very own educational panels, which cover in-depth Forex trading educational videos, beginner courses, tutorials in platform functionality, a featured trading podcast, as well as a number of live webinars, which you can sign up to for a more personal educational experience with Hot Forex. At number 4 on our list is FXCM. Forex Capital Markets Limited, or FXCM, is a spread betting, CFD and Forex trading broker, authorized and regulated by the UK Financial Conduct Authority under the Forex Capital Markets Limited, and is part of the Leucadia Company, which offers users the ability to trade on Forex pairs, shares, indices, cryptocurrencies, and commodities, offering competitive spreads on a variety of currency pairs and CFD instruments. Available platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, NinjaTrader, ZuluTrade, FXCM's proprietary trading station, as well as Capitalize AI, which is a super system used for building your own trading model. Their proprietary trading station is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems, and can be used as a web trading platform that can be accessed directly from your browser. FXCM offers only one type of live trading account for retail clients, but there is also a professional account if you are building or managing an institutional investment portfolio, as well as an active trader account if you're a high-volume trader. These accounts feature competitive spreads, lower leverage, lower minimum account deposits, up to 39 tradable currency pairs on active or standard accounts, and more. FXCM also provides their very own educational center, which delves into Forex trading for beginners guides, a plethora of training courses, a Forex educational video library, as well as their upcoming webinars for you to sign up to at any time if you are looking for a more in-depth educational experience with FXCM. Coming in at number 3, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker, which was founded in 2006, is regulated by the Central Bank of Ireland, the ASIC, FSA, FSB, and the BVI. Over 200,000 traders choose Avatrade for their preferred financial broker. Avatrade specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include more than 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread bidding, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's WebTrader, and also features their very own mobile applications known as Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, as well as a variety of ebooks that you can browse through if you are looking for a more in-depth educational experience with Avatrade. At number 2 on our list is Exness. Exness is an online, fully regulated, globally recognized financial broker that is authorized by the Financial Services Authority, or FSA, of Seychelles, and was founded in 2008. Exness specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, metals, and energies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and their very own web terminal, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Featured accounts are provided on Standard, Raw Spread, Zero, and Pro accounts, with low minimum deposits, lower spreads, an unlimited number of positions, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and offers over 105 different market instruments to trade, including over 103 currency pairs. Exness also provides their very own Trading Academy, which delves into the essentials of trading, multilingual video guides, market insight and analysis, as well as their upcoming webinars for you to sign up to if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Exness. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers accepting credit cards, we have eToro. eToro is an online broker which was founded in 2006 and offers CFDs and social trading, with a head office based in Cyprus and the UK. eToro is supervised by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Traders can trade in a wide variety of over 100 instruments, including Forex, stocks, commodities, ETFs, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platform for accounts is available on the eToro trading platform and mobile application, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. eToro trading accounts are offered on Demo, Micro, Mini, Standard, STP, and Islamic accounts. eToro also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, guides in the financial markets, a trading academy which covers a variety of helpful educational trading topics, tutorial videos, a featured podcast, guides to social trading, as well as their very own trading school, which includes courses, webinars, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with eToro. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers accepting credit cards on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.